In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 13, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the bottom right corner. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. Now to play it, click on it, hit allow, and click on it again. Manage it thanks to all of those options, or go back, hold it, and operate all of those at the bottom, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!